I have a couple of things to share today. First is the HomePort now gave us more options. They're not going to go through a TRID document. It will be a non-TRID, which allows us to originate as a retail channel. And we don't have to go through XYZs. Rate starts from 6.5. Any loans that you had issues with CPA letters, P&Ls, or VOEs can go to this route. No income documentation required, and closing in 10 days because we don't have to follow this TRID timeline. This is the one of the rate sheet screenshot. No job, no income, no DTI, with foreign nationals allowed, starting at 6.375 with all these LLPAs. And links are here below, above, below the title. So you can always go to this link, download it, and check it out yourself. I think it's on page 5, right there. Okay. So they're saying when you lock in a 6.5 versus 7.5 with any loans originated last year, they're saving approximately $470 a month with a loan amount of $700,000. FICO limit 700, LTV max is 70. Primary second homes are allowed. DSCRs can go to, investments can go into DSCRs. So focus on primary and secondary homes. Although it says 32 stage, if you want to put your name on the document, you can go for 13 stage. But AAA just confirmed me earlier this morning, they're going to allow us to use all 32 stage licenses. You just have to pay the 10% licensing fee to them. But it's better than nothing, right? So please utilize that option. The reason why they're doing this is as the CMT rate is going adverse of the 10-year treasury bond. Today's rate with CMT actually went down. So all the non-QMs, reverse mortgages, rates will get better. It will get better than today, next week, when the October statements come out. Second, conforming loan limit has increased for year 2026 to $819,000 for the 1 unit. This is a chart below showing the comparison between the 2, 3, and 4 units. And obviously, after November of 2026, when FHFA releases the official loan amount, it will go up again. But what we can do starting today until the first week of November, we can collect all the high ballot loans into conformings and make, to maximize the rebate. If you have any questions, let Gia or Sydney know how to run the AUS. I think your system right now using DU version 13.1 is not going to allow to do this. So we have to manual run all these. But if you have a file, don't hesitate to reach out to one of us. Third, LendMe is coming up with not only residentials, they're expanding to land, construction, commercial, second, rehab, and company fundings, including ITINs. LTV max is 80, rates are starting from 10.5, loan term is up to 5 years. So anything that we had went through before with other hard money lenders, these lenders or this specific lender is better than the other ones because there's no prepayment penalty. And we're going to launch a few more hard money options down the road. We have equity share hard money loan product that's coming up that the borrowers don't have to make any payments until the note is due. Just like a reverse mortgage, negative M hard monies are coming back. I'll share more in detail when I have some writings. Maximum CLTV is at 65%. So when you have any issues or concerns with specific files or anyone who wants to apply for the bridge loan but can't process, reach out to Gia, or you can email me directly, then I'll run the pricing and follow up. Any questions? Yes.
I have a question. Do we have ground up from in Arkansas?
Do we have any restrictions? We can do. They didn't write it down on the exceptions.
Thank you.
Any other questions? I'll share this link once again in a group chat. All the trainings that we have done before earlier this year is somewhat summarized and posted. I didn't include any account executives meetings or trainings that Ragnar was hosting, but we'll try to implement this link as well so that we can have some checkpoints to go back to. Well, thank you for hopping on this week's training today. If you have any questions or concerns or any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Brenda. We have Brenda here today. Okay. Brenda, Gia, and Sydney. All three of you guys here. Great.
Yeah, Peter, before we go, is there anyone that has a file or scenario they would like to discuss? No? All right.
This HomePort, don't take it lightly. It covers 1 through 4 units, loan amount up to $3 million. I posted one in Threads and I received 3 purchase files. I don't know whether we're going to go through or not, but it's something, some postings that we can use it to connect with our realtors. A lot of fallouts are happening because of a recent rate hike.
Peter, what would you normally charge on something like that on the HomePort?
What would I target? Some of the files that's going through a DTI issues, that's one of the first questions that I ask. I start a conversation with, do you have any files that have you ever had an issue with DTIs? Did the loan officer delay the loan processing and funding? Do you want something that you can close in 14 days? And they're going to question, how can you guarantee? Do you have any writings? One of the writings is, if you Google search HomePort, it's nationwide product. So it is available anywhere, any just like EPM product. And second, can you guarantee funding within 14 days? Yes, because it's not a TRID. There's no timeline that we have to go through. We are going to start with the estimated HUD 1, finish it with estimated HUD 1, or final HUD 1.
Okay.
Any other questions? If not, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you all next week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.